Tropical storm warning in about 18.7 miles from current location.
They already told us earlier.
Tropical storm warning in about 18.7 miles from current location.
We gotta go.
Don't try to do me like you did him. You was with me, now you with him. I distance myself, I'm not cool with them.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YG Rail back again with another video, man. And as you can see, we got the freaking babies out, man. We got the freaking babies out. It is currently, hold on. It is currently 10:47 right now. We literally just got off work and I'm on that grind, man. We got a hurricane tomorrow, so we off the next 2 days. But as you can see, we finna go do some driving, man. He finna cut off his car and leave it, and we gonna give y'all straight Q50 freaking cut up, man. Late night, like I said, it's like 10 o'clock right now. I might go to Walmart and get some LEDs real quick before they close at 11. I don't freaking know, but we in motion right now. But I ain't gonna do too much talking. If you're new to the channel, make sure that like and subscribe button. But yeah, man, like I said, we got the Q out. Let me show y'all boys the tent real quick. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see it. You can kind of see it. I got 15. It's still a little legal. You can see the back real good. We still seeing a little bit. And then you got this man car. I ain't gonna lie, his lights on him are hard. Freaking hard, bro. But yeah, man, how do you feel, bro? We literally finna go driving late night. 250, man.
It's gonna be the vibe, man. You know what I mean? That time vibes been off for work, bro. You know what I mean?
It's not playing, man. We really outside. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys on game, man. Gonna head downtown. That's gonna be the first spot. Ride around, show y'all the lights and jump. And yeah, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed it. I can't even talk right. I hope y'all boys enjoyed the ride, man, cause it finna get crazy in the fan. That whole car was finna get towed, man. Ain't no way. Go ahead and get up out the way, man. Come on now. Yup, go ahead. Go ahead. He was finna GTA somebody's car. How do you feel about somebody's car about to get GTA, bro?
Honestly, I'd be very sad for them.
Yeah, man. That's all I'm saying, bro. It'll be a very sad day to get off from work, 10 o'clock at night, and your car gone, man. That'll be some sad shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'm finna pass the phone over, man.
That's good.
Get a better view.
That's the cameraman here, man. Behind the scenes with it, bro.
Word. I'm gonna open the sunroof so y'all boys can hear it a little bit. I gotta get some gas real quick.
Yes, sir. Oh shit.
Late night in the city.
Late night sliding, no problem.
Late night slide, man. What store you finna get some gas from?
Shit. You can go to like Wawa or Circle K.
Well, to Cutco. Race truck, 347.
That ain't that bad.
That ain't that bad.
But you got that premium though.
That's what I'm saying.
93.
We finna make the light, y'all boys.
Oh yeah.
We finna make the light.
Oh
We
yeah.
finna fucking make the light.
Oh shit. This nigga crazy. This nigga wild, bro.
Somebody trying to race me in the city with it.
Nigga out here burning shit my
That's the
truck
only
and
thing,
shit.
bro. I gotta close the sunroof, man. It get too freaking loud. You can hear the freaking muffler and jump, but that wind, but that jump literally messed with your ear.
This shit's for the audio.
Look at this guy. He don't want no smoke, man. He don't want no smoke.
You trying to find a race?
He don't want no smoke, man.
Oh shit, it's not like
Late
it.
night race question mark? Hold on. We might run into a scab.
Alright, right the
That
red
boy
light.
trying to get over, man. He trying to hit the queue. That boy trying to put me in the years, man. If I get hit in the queue, I'm getting the years. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Years, lamb truck. Going right there, 349.
Ain't that bad either. What's over this wall on this side too, to the left?
No. I'm about to keep going straight. I'm gonna bend it low.
Whatever the night goes, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Whatever it
Wherever
takes
the night
us.
go, man. Wherever the freaking night go.
Listen already. Oh
Nigga,
shit.
hit a freaking tire skirt.
Alright.
Hold on, huh? out here skirting in the rain, freaking road wet. It's crazy, man. The acceleration is just insane.
It's amazing,
We
man.
finna bend this.
Oh, shit.
Actually, that was the left I was gonna bend. And I fucking missed the road. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
That little last minute is fuck.
We not missing that road.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, hit that bit.
That's not even a road.
Yes, sir. It's right here. Yes, sir.
Be in motion.
What that bit?
Be in motion. It's a downhill.
Oh, shit.
Get up the hill. Get up the hill.
Oh, this nigga skirting. This nigga skirting.
Oh my god. Hold on, huh?
Yeah, I'm scared and shit. My seatbelt.
We skirting out tonight, nah. We not playing.
Yes, sir.
We gotta find a store real quick. Get some gas.
Oh, shit. Nigga about to run this bitch.
God, run this bitch right now.
It's all out to the left.
To the left.
Yes, sir.
Then we going to the left then. To the left, to the left. Oh look, she turned into
Yes, sir.
good motion.
I love it, man.
Way back,
To the left, to the left. Look at that lightning, bro. Shit's crazy.
Word. Alright, so where I go?
I'll keep going straight.
Keep going straight. Say the speed limit 30. What we going? 48.
Breaking the rules and shit.
Word.
You got that left and that's left.
I'm gonna go to Wawa and get some gas, man. See who all at Wawa real quick.
Yes, sir. And they got that good lighting too.
That's what I'm saying. You finna see who
Get a
at the
good view of the
Wawa.
car.
I was trying to show them boys the tent, but I don't know that junk. It's really, you can really see inside though. Look at her, man. We almost hit.
Almost
We
right there.
almost hit 2 pedestrians
Like
and
a
a
rat.
dog.
Another
And
car
a
and
dog,
shit
bro.
too.
And a freaking dog.
Tropical storm warning in about 29.4 miles from current location.
This shit.
See, I know. Y'all literally know it ain't no rap in my cap, bro.
Tight shit.
Bro,
Shit.
go.
You good,
You
gang?
good? I'm going right here.
Alright, fuck your shit.
Still going right here, nigga. He got me fucked up on the game.
Yes, sir.
I hope he wasn't trying to get her, because he gonna have to hop out that bitch.
What?
And look, if he hop out that bitch, put that bitch on me. If he hop out that bitch, he getting his ass knocked out.
You crazy.
Oh, God.
Run off on word with it.
But yeah, man. Your boy finna drop a bag in the tank. Shit crazy. Hold on.
Let's see how much you dropping.
Cut the car, man. Don't be a dumb nigga and keep your car on, bro, while you getting gas. You go blow your ass up, man. They got the pay thing. All right, y'all boys, I'm finna pay real quick because I'm finna use my phone. And then yeah, man, I'm gonna get back right. I can't even talk. I'm gonna get right back to y'all boys on game. But yeah, y'all boys can see the tent, boy. There ain't no cap in the rap. No cap in the rap, man. I really got the tent. Stop playing. We really outside. Like I said, bro, 10 o'clock at night. And we really in the field, man. We not playing. But yeah, I'm finna fill up the tank. Look at gang now. We really outside, man. We really outside, bro. We really outside. We
Hey, you get some good shots here.
remove nozzle, select grade. That's what I want. I don't know.
Almost
I
showing
don't know.
That's crazy.
On 9%. Oh, we finna get that. No. 93, man. This is a big Q50. You're not putting no other shit in here, man. Stop playing. To begin. Oh, never mind. We already locked in. Now look, bro.
Wawa is here with
I'm
helpful
putting
tips for
$40
fueling up
in
and
this
staying
bitch.
safe on the road.
Alright, man. So your boy done got the fucking gas shit situated. He's filling up the queue. That boy posted up in the front. We really outside, bro. Them boys just got out the field. And now they jump in their car. Yeah, man, we really in the city, bro. It's fucking really my life. Emptying out my fucking pockets into my damn tank. And he think he fucking Chris Brown and shit. I'm tired of dark skins. Dark skin, no, it's always the dark skinned niggas that want to do this shit. That's what I'm saying. Then the dark skinned niggas always distracted the light skinned niggas. And I fucking end up putting too much gas in my tank, bro. What the hell wrong with this man? Fuck, man. Alright, now we Gucci. Now we Gucci. We gonna get every little drop. Every little drop. We not playing. Hold on now. Hang it up right. Close up the tank. And after doing all that, man, how do you feel, man? We just filled up the tank.
Yes, sir. 43.
I swear to God. Do I want my fucker receipt? Fuck no. Fuck no. But yeah, man. Big tents on the freaking bend, man. We not playing. We really outside. Now we finna go cut up, man. On the game. Gotta get it. Whole lot of motion. We can, bro. And yeah, man. Here go the fresh start, man. We just filled up the tank. Now hold on. Video had cut out, man, but y'all boys know I'm finna get y'all a nice little reel before I freaking go to the freaking go downtown. Show y'all boys the view and jump. Hey, get it. Y'all boys don't want to hear it in sports mode. It get real, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get close to downtown, gang. Hey, get it. Everybody really get in the field, man. Ski.
Tropical storm warning in about 18.7 miles from current location.
They already told us earlier.
Tropical storm warning in about 18.7 miles from current location.
We gotta go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. We had to make it. We had to make the fans scream in the tunnel, man. That boy Caleb in the back, but them headlights look too good. Oh my God. Look at that mug. Look at him trying to game. That boy, oh my God, that boy coming. I can't roll down my windows. Cause y'all boys don't know. It don't look like I got tents right now, but I'm gonna show y'all what it look like from the outside. Your boy freaking got tents, man. I got 15%. But next coming the freaking skirts, tune, all that, man. I'm slowly turning Ghost into a freaking demon, man. Stop playing. Big fan. And it's freaking late night. We got the sunroof open. There's a whole lot of motion going on. First race, man. Here we
Hurricane warning
go.
in about 41.0 miles
race.
from current location.
Shut up. I don't care. First race.
Tropical
That shit
storm
fast,
warning in
boy.
about 40.3 miles from current location.
Bye-bye, little buddy.
Tropical
Bye-bye,
storm
buddy.
warning in about 29.4
And we by the
miles
police
from
station,
current
man.
location.
Fort 12, man. Fort 12. We gotta get over, man. Time to pass over the camera, man. Y'all boys already know. Gonna take y'all boy downtown, man. Gonna take y'all boy downtown. And we go around the sports, man. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear the downshifts, but
We'll see the lights, man.
y'all
See
boys
what's going
definitely
on.
wanna hear the downshifts, bro.
This shit so gas, bro.
Let's see. We go freaking see, man. I'll give y'all boys a rev at the light, man.
Chuck got scared. Cause our
That boy got scared. He had to move up a little bit. Alright, man. We entering downtown, man. I ain't gonna lie, no, Callum. Our downtown fine, but it's small as hell. Like,
Yeah.
we finna ride past this one part where everybody literally parties up top on Fridays, bro. Like, the whole fucking block be swole. Literally. They usually have a light on the freaking edge right here spinning on the ground. I don't see it right now.
Let's see how that
Oh,
been
yeah, it's
right
right
now.
there. We gonna bend this right.
Yes, sir. They all got these, what you call it, lights in these streets.
There's so many roads that you can freaking go on and can't go on down here.
All these restaurants too.
Look at this big ass hump. We gonna bend it up.
Yes, sir. Bro, all these restaurants we ain't try yet, bro.
And then we go bend the. Which way we finna go? We go bend
Yeah.
the.
Get a
We
little
go bend a
right.
nice little right.
Come on, slide. I ain't gonna lie, cuz we going this. Hey, we going in the direction where cars come.
We about to fucking die on a Tuesday night.
I seen the arrow coming right towards us. Come on,
Ain't no fucking way. Hey, man.
This shit funny.
See, bro, I'm doing this shit for y'all, man. I'm literally doing this shit for y'all. This ain't good, but I'm literally finna go in the fucking parking garage just to fucking be loud for y'all.
Let's do it, man.
Like, come on, nah. Come on, nah.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit. It's how the scary movies be.
I swear.
This shit is
Like, y'all boy ready? Showing the sunroof, man. The sunroof is open, huh?
oh shit.
Hold on, nah. Hold on, nah. Hold on.
We going up, bro. Nigga skirt.
I know that was in a pot now.
Hey.
I know that was in a pot now.
Hey, bro.
Oh, come on now, bro. Why that look like my homeboy Tyreek?
Yeah, I ain't gonna fly. I haven't seen two niggas in that
I feel like I know him, bro.
Hey, this shit low key all smoking. Oh shit. You're drifting this bit.
Oh god, drifting every corner. Let's see who up top. Damn,
Hey,
ain't nobody
that
up
bitch
top.
dead.
What the freak?
This shit
Yo.
raw as fuck up here though, God.
Everybody usually at the top, bro. There's not one car.
Damn.
And then it's like 12 right here, bro. Look at these niggas. What the fuck they doing, man?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We come about some crazy shit, bro. Oh yeah, I thought you about to drift that
I was
bitch
about
off.
to,
Oh
bro.
god,
I
hey.
turned on traction, bro. I should have turned on traction.
Girl, you
They would've been
could, bro.
fucking over.
Oh
I could,
shit.
bro, but see, bro, I ain't trying to really mess up my tires, bro.
Nah, I feel
Now,
you.
whenever I ain't gonna lie, I am gonna end up buying another pair of tires, and then like my stock tires, I'll just be able to, like, spinning them bitches. But my fucking custom tires, I'm not finna fuck them up, cause them bitches gonna be far.
I would want to do it so bad, bro.
Look, bro, I swear I know this nigga in this car, bro. I swear I know that nigga, boy.
that be a gas
I bet if I text him right now, I bet he'd be like, "Hey, bro, that's you? Duh, that's me, boy. Duh, that's me.
Q50.
He cutting up." This
Yeah, that
bitch
bitch
so
is raw as
fast,
fuck,
bro,
bro. I ain't
that you
gonna lie.
don't even, bro. I don't even be going fast, bro, and this shit literally be skirting. Like, I really feel like I'm in an SRT right now. Like, bro, this is a SRT Q50 3.0T. Come on, now.
This nigga crazy.
I swear, bro. Going through big ass puddles and shit.
What?
Bro,
Got
like,
lightning
what
and
the
shit
hell
going
going
on.
on, bro? I literally feel like we in the fucking Walking Dead or some shit.
Yeah, this
Like, show this, bro. None of this is never closed. They literally got the gate, bro. That blinking shit right there.
Yeah, I see.
Bro, they literally got the gate closed right now. Like, what is going on, bro?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Right? One car, bro. One freaking car.
This
That's
shit.
it.
Damn purge, some crazy shit happening. This bitch sound good as fuck.
Wait till
Man.
this shit start popping. Uh-oh, there go 12.
Oh
There
shit.
go 12. He hitting the brakes.
Oh shit.
High speed chase.
Oh, shit.
I don't know if I can see him, man. 12 is definitely over there.
Yeah, see, I'm
But now,
I know.
since he right there, I'm definitely going straight. And I think this gonna take us into Tuscaloosa Park.
So you can ride through that bit, bro. Look at the lights and shit.
Come on, now. I got everybody looking. I'm breaking everybody neck tonight. I'm breaking everybody neck. Bro, it ain't nobody outside in cars, but it's people outside. Like,
They
I
just
don't know if
walking
they
around.
homeless or what.
Oh,
bro.
no, they homeless as
Yeah,
fuck, though. I
that's
ain't gonna
outside.
fly. I just seen nigga with his shirt off and
That's
shit.
what I'm saying. Like, what's going on?
I feel bad for him. Oh, shit. It's crazy.
Oh,
Wait,
where
look
the
at his
fuck's
ass.
Tuscaloosa? Hey, we finna hit his ass.
Get his
We
ass.
finna hit his ass.
Get his ass.
We finna hit his ass.
Get his ass.
We finna hit his
Get his
ass.
ass.
Nah, let me stop. His ass
Hey,
start-
nigga scared as
Hey, look,
fuck.
his ass start dumping at the car. Oh, hell no. Nigga pull out a fucking Draco.
Alright.
I really feel like I could've turned. I really
Right
feel
there.
like I can't go this way, but that's where I'm fucking going. This
Are
way.
you good?
Oh, you can't. Oh, this the bus station.
What the fuck? I
What
man,
the hell?
good
I ain't
ass
never
man,
been
bro.
here, bro. Bro probably think we finna kill his
Yeah, bro.
Look at him, he looking back and shit. I'll be scared of him.
Oh,
if I see
God,
him
bro.
Like this, bro. Look, now we coming behind his
You
We
better
are
hit the
straight
dash.
good
We about to
energy.
kill all these damn
We are straight.
cats
good.
and shit. Sir, made away Tuscaloosa.
Bro, ain't no way to water that high.
flagging.
My window.
Oh,
Bro, I think my window's good, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
How long has it been? Like 2 days?
Yeah, but I'm still go with that extra day. I'm kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't scared. We're at tough school, but I do got my fishing pole.
Don't say that.
But I only have one fishing pole. This is that bullshit.
Oh shit, I
Straight
forgot.
up bullshit. It usually be police sitting out here sometimes, but right now I don't see nobody, man.
Shit, bro. I got mine's car. I wonder. I don't see nobody.
Nah, that
bro.
ain't no cop.
Shit, good. What a basketball court.
Oh, yeah, they go to basketball court. See, this our park. In Ocala, Florida, man, this our part right here.
Oh,
The
God,
most ghetto part in the city, man.
Shit
You come out
crazy,
here,
bro.
man, you might play basketball if you raw, and you cooking niggas, you might get your ass popped. Oh my God.
Real shit, though.
You can't be a raw nigga. Niggas don't want to see you shine down here, bro. I'm telling you. You'll be out here cooking these niggas. Nigga get mad, push your ass. What you gonna do after you push your ass? Bust his ass. Come on, huh? You not finna play with no nigga.
Nah, that shit get real for real. Pushing this bitch, boy.
This bitch sounds so
That beverage
good,
barn
bro.
open? Oh, that bitch probably closed. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, the
that
beverage barn?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know they closed. They probably closed at like 8.
Oh, shit.
We could go. Where could we go?
Shit, let me think.
Hold on. Fuck, we finna bust it right. Go on the
I'm saying,
boulevard.
Ocala's so small, bro.
Y'all boys some lights and shit. I'm trying to show y'all all the nice parts. This really our nicest part of the city because it's downtown.
Yeah.
Like this ain't downtown no more, but it's still good. Still look straight. I don't know what they doing over there. Them boys is outside. Damn, that's fucking regular lights.
That lightning,
That's
bro.
what I'm saying. Pre-hurricane
Wow.
night ride, man. Pre-hurricane night ride. Shit crazy, bro. Shit is crazy. A lot of motion. I'll take y'all boy back downtown. Bro, I really feel like that was my homeboy Tyreek, man.
Yeah, they was in that bitch. Cool.
This is how always trying to link. I be busy grinding. What the hell, bro? What the hell?
Into that block.
Oh God, gotta get that cheese. I thought that was the police right there, but it ain't. They go Regis Bank. This is what it look like entering downtown. Before you get in the middle and shit, this is exactly what the fuck it look like. You got a little diner on the square. Bro, we have a fucking Hilton in the middle, bro.
That's crazy. Just built
That's
like
exactly where all the rich people be at the damn Hilton, cooling, living they life.
that shit
We
wrong.
just being ghosts, man. Shit crazy.
Red City, you ever been there before?
Nah. Right there, downtown Village, that's like the little club every night.
Oh, yeah.
Especially on Fridays, you'll fucking pull up. Like when I get off from work, I'll come right to the corner and there be a whole fucking group of females and shit just cooling. Like, everybody be outside on the weekend, but during the freaking week, don't nobody be outside, man.
They scared to come outside.
2 more bodies right here. Hold on, let me go check
Yes,
that.
sir.
That nigga just got done playing some shit.
Well, you got a hat on and all.
Mark's Prime Steakhouse. We got a steakhouse down here.
I ain't know that either.
Ain't no way, bro. I done
Yeah,
been in there
bro.
before.
She's
We
all
got
these
a-
places,
We got a
bro.
movie theater. That look like some shit that'll be in a movie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That
Bro.
movie theater right there,
Yeah.
but that shit look like some shit that'll be in a scary ass movie, bro. I'm telling you. Scary ass movie.
Bro, all these places, bro, we ain't been to
That's
yet,
what I'm
bro.
saying. All these places, bro.
Shit
You might have to start showing YouTube videos trying them, bitch.
Oh, God, bro.
Yeah. Finna business right here.
He likes playing the cameras.
We finna bend it love, peel off the downtown real quick. Really trying to dodge 12. 12 be so fucking sneaky down here, bro. They'll be posted up in the cut like they fucking work there or some shit. The whole time. Yeah, looking for somebody to fucking pull over and shit. Damn. Like them lights right there, little too bright, bro.
Yeah, real shit, bro. I don't like that shit,
That's what
bro.
I'm saying.
They just be posted
Every
up,
time
bro.
you see some fucking bright ass lights, bro, you might as well slow down, bro, because you never know. Until you see that fucking car, slow that bitch down. Fucked up. What the fuck you go? What the fuck?
Shit, you go to Park Side.
Don't say that. Go fucking nigga. Go to fucking Parkside, shit. Y'all boys don't know, man. Don't go to Parkside if you like your life. Me personally, I love my life, so
real shit.
I wasn't even into that shit. But I don't got no problem with nobody out there. It's just
shit, you never know though, bro. Park Side.
really like that, man.
Like, God, that shit.
It's freaking lightning, so I'm serious, man.
Bit lucky raw as fuck. I ain't gonna fly.
I swear.
Back on the Wawa Road? Hell yeah.
You finna head back your way.
Yes, sir.
They go to freaking Wawa we was at. Right freaking there, man. Freaking Wawa.
Yeah, that's how small Cali is, bro. That shit around the corner.
We just hit a whole fucking loop. Now we right back here at the Wawa.
That's wild, bro.
Shit crazy, man. Whole lot of motion. Whole lot of motion. I fucking love this shit, man. Oh yeah, and y'all boys don't know yet. Me and that boy Caleb going to fucking. Damn.
Oh, she got it. Yes, sir.
I gotta code this so I can talk to y'all, man. Man to man, man to girl. What the fuck?
Wait, what?
Man to man, man to woman. I guess.
I don't fucking know.
Me and the dog Caleb going to fucking Daytona this weekend. We
Yes,
get in the
sir.
room. He don't believe me. We fucking get in the room.
I believe this, man.
Every time I say some shit, we do it. We going to fucking Daytona. We get in the room. I'm cutting up on the strip, man. I know y'all boys want to see me cut up on the strip. Bad hoes, gats,
All types of shit.
everything,
man. All
bro.
types of
Anything you
motion,
can ask
bro.
for, and I might get on the slingshot. I might get the club. Show y'all boys. Now look where we at now, man. It done opened up.
This
It
shit,
done
bro.
opened up.
It's the best part, for real.
I swear.
This is shit you can race on, for real.
God, this that racing road. Oh yeah, and I got a fucking story time for y'all boys now.
Oh yeah, let's get it.
And so let me tell y'all, yesterday, was it yesterday? It was yesterday, Sunday, bro. Me, Kayla, and Najee, we went to we went to Daytona. We was on the same damn road. A white fucking Cadillac ATS fucking pulls up next to me, bro. I'm burning his shit. I'm already in front of him burning his shit. Out of nowhere, bro, I'm starting to hear something in my ear, man. I look in the fucking rearview mirror, he fucking pushing that bitch. Long story short, dude ended up passing me. I'm pushing that bitch so hard, bro. I'm catching his ass. Fucking light turned red. Bro, I didn't hit the brake so hard, bro. I'm literally fucking mashing the brake. That bitch ain't working, nigga. Long story short, but we made the fucking red light. Barely. We way past the line. He feel like he burnt me. And look at these dudes right here, bro. Let's see if he pull out.
We ain't doing shit, cuz. We ain't doing that.
Let's see if he pull out. Nah, he ain't gonna pull out. He a real nigga.
He weird for that,
He a
though,
real
bro.
one.
You watching,
bro,
man.
and see people like that, bro, that be the ones that be ready to pull. If I would have been going fast, I would have been fucked.
Oh, God,
I literally
bro.
would have been fucked. Ooh, they go to downshift. They go to downshift.
A bit for sure.
And I'm starting to see police everywhere, I ain't gonna lie.
Shit, boy.
Fucking everywhere. It's like you see his ass sliding. His ass bend his corner hard as hell.
Alright.
Drill, flip his shit. Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Shit crazy.
It's nighttime side, no, it's best, though, bro.
God.
It's lightning, bro. We're gonna make this shit for real.
What? Look at that store right there. That store usually always open late. That shit shut down. I
God,
said,
bro.
fuck that. She ain't taking no chances.
That's what I'm saying. That bitch got roaches or some shit.
I swear.
Crazy shit. Yes, sir, bro.
I ain't never really heard no fucking cold start. Wait till the fucking cold season. I wanna hear what this shit really sound like. Cause I know when the fucking pipe freezing cold, bro, that shit gonna be loud as hell.
What's sound immaculate, me?
Loud as hell.
We revving that motherfucker.
Oh, the motion. Look at that boy trying to get in the T-Go. You can't get in there if you ain't a gold. You can't get in there if you
I'm
not a
saying we gotta go to. I'm not to go. We gotta
go.
go.
You can't get in there.
We gotta go. That shit, I think, still.
Oh, God. fun to drive though, bro. I ain't never had
God.
a car like this. Like my old car was a Jetta. Whole time, bro. I didn't even know that bitch fucking. See, like you
That
hear this
bitch.
shit, bro. Like this bitch downshifted by itself.
That shit wild, bro.
But I had a fucking 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. Y'all boys already know. And that bitch, bro, that bitch has sports mode. I literally, if I would've knew what the fuck that car could do, bro, I probably would've modded that shit. But me, I ain't even looking to it, none of that. So this is crazy, man.
Shit's good though,
I wish I
bro.
would've modded it, but now I'm in a Q50. Fuck it, man. I saved the money.
I'm saying elevated out that shit.
Word. Yeah, man, that's the end of the fucking video, man. I hope y'all boys fucking like the ride. Your boy really had to cut up for y'all boys before the hurricane, man.
Before a hurricane or some shit. That
I'm
shit
probably gonna
wild.
shoot another video tomorrow early in the morning. Cause every time they say it's a hurricane, the hurricane hit fucking late as hell. So we gonna see how the fucking hurricane play out. Hopefully it fucking don't fuck up our shit. Yeah, man. If you new, man, make sure you join the real fam, man. We freaking lit, man.
On game.
Okay, in the fan, man.
Yes,
In the
sir.
freaking-